Hello everyone, welcome back to our Connect Plus 3, and today we are going to take Unit 3, Lesson 1. Okay, let's go to slide 3. As you see here, the title of our unit today is What's on Your Plate? What's on your plate? As you know, in the previous units, we had learned about our body from outside and from inside, and how we had a healthy and unhealthy lifestyle. In this unit, you are going to decide which is useful and which is unuseful for you, depending on how much nutrients in your food. Next. If you open your book, page number 30, and look on it, you will find a picture of a boy and a girl, Hani and Hannah. You know the characters of our book. And they are having breakfast together. Let's see what they are talking about together in this page. Let's read together. I always have fruit at breakfast. Hannah says, I always have fruit at breakfast, an apple or a banana. There are lots of vitamins in fruit. There are lots of vitamins in fruit, and there is fiber too. There is fiber too. Do you like fruit, Hani? Do you like fruit, Hani? Hannah asks. So Hani replies and says, yes, I do, but what are vitamins? What are vitamins? Why do we need them? Why do we need them? Hannah says, vitamins are nutrients in some foods. Vitamins are nutrients in some food. They are good for all parts of your body. They are good for all parts of your body. And they make you strong. They make you strong. Mom says we should eat lots of fruit to get the vitamins we need. Mom says we should eat lots of fruit to get the vitamins we need. So Hani replies with a joy, that's good because fruit is delicious. That's good because fruit is delicious. Are there vitamins in eggs? Are there vitamins in eggs? Hannah says yes. If you go to the next page, of course, this is page number 31. If you open your book, you will find it. Look with me, you are going to see a big circle. And this circle is divided into triangles like you see. Each triangle contains different kinds of food, okay? You can see the green part with vegetables, fruits, the white part with carbohydrates, the pink part with proteins, the blue part with dairy, and the very small purple part with fats. So, when we read that, you will get to know everything about these nutrients. It is important to get a balance. It is important to get a balance of the right kinds of food. Our bodies need lots of different nutrients, including vitamins and minerals, to work well and be healthy. This healthy eating plate is a good way to think about what we need. As I told you before, after this lesson, you will know what do you need from the nutrients in food. The first one, number 1, we should try to eat from 5 to 7 pieces of fruit and vegetables a day. We should try to eat from 5 to 7 pieces of fruit and vegetables a day. There are lots of vitamins in fruit, such as vitamin C, which is very important. There is also fiber. Fiber is very important in a healthy diet. So the fiber, you can get it from fruit and vegetables too. Okay, look at number 2. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates. It gives us energy. It gives us energy. We can get these in bread, pasta, rice, and cereal. Okay? So the carbohydrates give you energy, and you can find these carbohydrates in bread, pasta, rice, and cereal. Okay, look at number 3. We need protein to help us grow. We need protein to help us grow and to make our bodies strong. So protein is very important too. There is protein in meat, fish, and eggs. There is protein in meat, fish, and eggs. Number 4, there is protein in dairy foods such as milk and cheese too. There is protein in dairy foods such as milk and cheese too. Dairy foods are also give us vitamins and minerals called calcium. Calcium is very important for our bones, heart, and muscles. So calcium is good for our bones, heart, and muscles. Keep this in your mind. Number 5, we need some fats too. We need some fats too, not a lot of fats, because they give us energy and help us to absorb some important vitamins. So, and again, fats, they give us energy and help us absorb some important vitamins. There are healthy fats in oils such as olive oil and butter. There are healthy fats and oil such as olive oil and butter. Okay. Now you have to think before you eat, because it's very important to have all the nutrients in one plate. One plate. Plate is a dish. And now from now on, you're going to think what you will have in your dish. So many foods such as cakes, biscuits, and soda contain sugar. We shouldn't eat sugar or drink a lot of sugar. Okay? Keep this in mind. Next slide. Now you will see pictures of the new vocabulary we have in this lesson. Okay, this is carbohydrates, which you can find it from in bread, pasta, rice, some other products like bread and rice and pasta, and chips too. Okay, and here fiber. This is the next slide. Next slide, you see the fiber. Okay, the fiber, you can find it in some fruit and some vegetables dishes. Next slide. Dairy and fats. Dairy and fats. In dairy foods, they are like cheese, all kinds of cheese and milk. And there are some fats in the meat too. Okay, and the next slide, you can see protein and sugar. Protein, you can find it in fish, chicken, and meat. Also, you can find it in eggs. And the sugar, all the sweets you have, this contains sugar. And these are the vitamins. Next slide, you will find the vitamins in front of you. There are lots of types of vitamins like A, B1, B2, B3, B4, B9, B12, C, D, K, BP, and E and F. So these are the kinds of vitamins you need for your growth. Next slide. This is minerals. The minerals, you can find them in your food just like calcium, zinc, magnesium, iron, and potassium. These are minerals which are very important for our bones and heart. Okay. This is the end of our lesson. I hope you understood it, and bye-bye.